Good morning, everyone. I am recording this video on Monday on Memorial Day. I catch my flight to Vietnam this afternoon, and I'm making some videos I don't get there till Wednesday, so I'm making some videos to go up for the next few days. I did research this weekend while I was packing. I was doing a lot of research, and I'm researching some things that are near and dear to people's heart. They might make some people mad. People swear by them, but we're going to talk about the science. The first one is apple cider vinegar, what it really does and what it doesn't do. We're going to talk about the myth, so to speak. They say that apple cider can burn fat, detox your body, boost your energy. But this is the truth. It's not a miracle, not a miracle worker. But I'm going to break down what it actually does for you, what it doesn't do for you, and how men over 50 can use it without falling for the hype. I'm Mike Norris. I help men over 50 cut through the noise, get real about their health, basically. If you're tired of fads and want practical advice that actually works, hit the subscribe button, and hope you like the video and give the video a like. The number one claim of apple cider vinegar is it burns fat. Nah, not really. There's zero evidence in research studies that it directly burns fat. What it can do for you, though, is help you feel full, which helps you eat less, might help you eat less if you take it at the right time. And it also might blunt sugar spikes, which can help your cravings. And we all have cravings, and cravings are the main reason for weight gain, and not being able to lose weight is because of those cravings. But don't confuse it with it melting fat away. It doesn't work that way. It's not a magic formula. This is right here sort of a big myth with it. I've heard a lot of women and men talk about this online. There's even videos about this, that it detoxes your body. Folks, your liver and kidneys are your detox system. Apple cider vinegar does not flush toxins from your body. It's a marketing gimmick. If you want to detox, you want to drink more water, move your body, stop eating ultra-processed junk. That's the real detox. The water flushes stuff through your kidneys and your liver. Moving helps stuff move through better. Movement helps move stuff better. And quit eating all that junk food. And it's no magic to detoxifying the body. I've talked about this before. Water, plenty of water, movement, and quit eating all the junk. Now let's talk about what apple cider vinegar can do for you. Where it actually helps. It's been shown in studies to help regulate blood sugar, especially if you're insulin resistant. So this is important for people that are insulin resistant. Or if you're diabetic, pre-diabetic, or you're trying to stay sharp and steady between meals. It's legit. How you take it is very important. A tablespoon of water before meals, like I say, might help you feel fuller. If you take it, 5, 10, 15 minutes before your meal, it could support the weight loss. But again, it's just one tool in the toolbox, and it's not a main tool. It's an accessory. It has nothing to do with really getting that fat off your body. It's just a little something that can give you a little boost. If you're going to try it, here's how you do it. Put a tablespoon in 8 ounces of water. Drink it before a meal, and don't drink it on an empty stomach. And don't chug it straight because of the acid in it is so acidic. It can wreck your tooth enamel and burn your throat if you take a lot of it over time. So if you're drinking it daily, use a straw. I don't know, you've probably heard this before. Use a straw, because you don't want to get it all on your teeth, and rinse your mouth out afterward. So 1 tablespoon in 8 ounces of water is the best way to take it, and take it before a meal. A couple downsides to apple cider vinegar, things to watch out for. It can cause nausea in some people, stomach irritation. And in rare cases, especially if you're taking a lot of it, low potassium levels. And we have to keep our potassium levels up. If you're on medications for any kind of blood pressure, blood sugar, talk to your doctor, as always, before doing anything, especially like that, taking this apple cider vinegar. So, in conclusion, is apple cider vinegar a scam? No, it's not a scam. But is it a magic fat-burning, detoxifying cure-all? No, not at all. It might give you a small edge, especially with blood sugar and appetite control. But it's not doing the heavy lifting for you. The heavy lifting's on you. Heavy lifting is, of course, what you eat, your movement, your sleep. Those are the big three when you're trying to get that fat off, along with the famous weightlifting. Not resistance training, I should say. I always have to add that resistance training in there. It's a condiment. It's not a plan. So use it as that. Don't look for miracle work. When people tell me, "Oh, I've been taking apple cider a tablespoon a day and I've lost 10 pounds this month," you didn't lose it because of the apple cider vinegar. That was not the main reason you lost it. You did something. What else did you do? What did you change in the way you're eating? Or did you eat less because you took that 8 ounces of water and apple cider vinegar? So if you've tried it before, did it help you? Or did it just leave a sour taste in your mouth? Drop a comment below, let me know. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. If you want real no-nonsense videos on fitness, food, the fitness, exercise mindset for men over 50, subscribe. I got more videos coming like this. I'm doing a series on different things, things like the apple cider vinegar. It's Mike Norris, guys. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.